guess it's gone. But the question is, just how often do you talk nicely about someone else? So let me guess. Do you do it on your free time when given a lift, returning from school, or perhaps whenever cherry blossoms are in full bloom? Feels like a warm, cozy time to talk. How about early on, while crunching on your grandma's favorite cookie? Or maybe you're just too shy. You try anyways. Your smile might be covered. You pretend to be alright. Your intentions are real. I don't know if this is something you do every day or not, how often you do it. I do it quite often, if not all the time. I would like to take an opportunity listing seven people I want to mention that are helping me to make this episode possible. All these pronunciations. Very first one I want to mention is Megan Brack. I found her through Howcast videos on Sue Can from Sue Strategies Foundation, Lucy from English with Lucy, Arnold from Arnold's Everyday English, Show English Online, Miss Holly, she's a Mexican, she has an incredible unique accent. Alisa from American English Accent App. These are all the people I want to mention. These people are my heroes. They are helping me to learn more about pronunciation, and I know so much more because of them. So remember these people. If you want to learn from the sources, these are the people you want to search for. I want to acknowledge their effort. I'm not getting anything from this, but I do want to. They don't even know. They might not even know I exist. These people don't know anything about me, but they make such a difference in my life. So I want that to be I want to give them some recognition that they deserve.